So it's time to put the golden imperial back together. Bits are ready, typewriter is ready, just assembling time. So escapement bar is on. More to come. So another step just finished. Right, more gold added. Starting to look spectacular. And that's a wrap for today. Color selector, golden lock. That's it for today. Continue tomorrow. Today is key top's turn. Gonna do deep cleaning, take all the grim top turn, clean them one by one, install them again, and add the golden rings. Tops cleaned. Now it's time for the key rings. Golden key rings. Okay, golden rings on. One more to go. So I've decided to change the key slugs and went with the black key slugs instead. I thought it would make a nice balance with the golden keys and black. So now on our way to finish it. Assembly of the key slugs all done now. Still missing one key ring. I had to plate a new one. It was lost in the plating process, but it will be finished soon. Time to restore the bag. So as you can see, broken, dirty, ripped off. I'm gonna try to do something about it, okay? So managed to do the bag. Done just a basic recover for the outer leather. Fixed the handle, added the leather layer as well. Rustic golden bits. And added a new felt on the inside. New corners. Faux leather corners. And new clean felt. And that's it.